Hey everyone, it's Jimmy. Today, I've got 5 amazing budget-friendly recipes that you can whip up in no time. We're talking cheesy, saucy, and downright delicious meals that won't break the bank. We've got something for everyone, so get ready to tantalize those taste buds without emptying your wallet. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious content. First up, we're diving into a cheesy paradise with this ground beef cannelloni pasta bake. It's the definition of comfort food. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Grab your ingredients: 1 pound ground beef, 12 cannelloni pasta shells, 2 cups shredded cheese, 2 cups tomato sauce, and 1 teaspoon each of salt, pepper, and Italian seasoning. Brown the ground beef, drain excess grease, and stir in tomato sauce and spices. Stuff the cannelloni shells with the meat mixture, arrange in a greased baking dish, and cover with cheese. Bake for 25-30 minutes until the cheese is melted and bubbly. Enjoy your cheesy, meaty cannelloni bake. Next, we're making chicken chow mein that's faster than takeout. Perfect for any night of the week. You'll need 1 pound chicken breast, 8 ounces chow mein noodles, 1/4 cup soy sauce, vegetables like 1 cup sliced bell peppers, and 1 cup sliced carrots and 2 cloves garlic. Heat oil in a skillet. Cook the chicken until golden brown, then add sliced vegetables. Stir fry until tender crisp, add cooked noodles, soy sauce, and garlic. Toss everything together until heated through. Enjoy your flavorful chicken chow mein. Get ready for a budget hack: a sausage ramen stir fry. Delicious and easy on the wallet. Gather 4 sausages, 2 packs of ramen noodles, 1/4 cup soy sauce, and vegetables like 1 cup broccoli florets, 1 cup sliced carrots, and 1 cup snap peas. Heat oil in a skillet. Cook sliced sausages until browned. Cook ramen noodles according to package directions, drain, and set aside. Add vegetables to the skillet, stir fry until tender crisp, then toss in noodles and soy sauce. Stir fry until everything is heated through. Enjoy your sausage ramen stir fry. Enjoy honey soy glazed chicken with roasted vegetables, sweet and savory perfection. You'll need 4 chicken thighs, 1/4 cup honey, 1/4 cup soy sauce, and 1 cup sliced bell peppers, 2 cups chopped potatoes, and 1 cup sliced carrots. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. Whisk honey and soy sauce together for the glaze. Chop vegetables, place on a baking sheet, add chicken thighs, and brush with glaze. Roast for 25-30 minutes until chicken is cooked and vegetables are tender. Enjoy! Last, we're making a baked bean cottage pie, hearty and budget-friendly. You'll need 2 cups baked beans, 1 pound ground beef, 4 cups mashed potatoes, and 2 cups shredded cheese. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Brown ground beef, drain excess grease. In a baking dish, layer baked beans, ground beef, mashed potatoes, and cheese. Bake for 20 minutes until cheese is melted and bubbly. Enjoy your baked bean cottage pie. Thanks for watching. Enjoy these budget-friendly recipes that are big on flavor and easy on the wallet. With a little creativity, you'll be cooking up a storm in no time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tasty videos. See you next time.